Hello, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Zamunda set to drop new album called Ja Love Surrounds Me. The album is set for release on February 3 and features collabs with top reggae acts Jakur, Capleton and Kumar on Time Is Now, Louis Culture on He Saved Me, Reggae Party with Anthony B, Lights in the Sky with the Unruly Boss, Chris Martin on What You Talk, and his remix Ja Love Surrounds Me with Popcorn and Dre Island, which is nearing 10 million views on YouTube. Zamunda named the album off his 2009 hit single, Ja Love Surrounds Me. Prosecutors today revealed that actor Alec Baldwin is to be charged with 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter. The criminal charges comes after the fatal film set shooting of a cinematographer during a rehearsal of the Western film Rust back in 2021. According to the Santa Fe District Attorney, the charges against both Baldwin and Gutierrez-Reed had not yet been filed, but will be filed before the end of this month.
Once we read through everything and researched the case law and the law here in New Mexico, we realized that we believed that there was probable cause to charge Alec Baldwin and Hannah Gutierrez-Reed with involuntary manslaughter. Just because it's an accident doesn't mean that it's not criminal. Our involuntary manslaughter statute covers unintentional killings, unintentional homicides. The rest of our homicide statutes cover intentional, but unintentional means they didn't mean to do it. They didn't have the intent to kill, but it happened anyway, and it happened because of more than mere negligence, because of they didn't exercise due caution or circumspection, and that's what happened here.
Adding that, quote, "On my watch, no one is above the law and everyone deserves justice," end quote. Attorney for Baldwin, Luke Nicka, said that his client will fight the charges and win, as Baldwin had no reason to believe there was a live bullet in the gun on the day that Hutchins was killed, and labeled the charges against the actor as a terrible miscarriage of justice. In addition, the film's armor overseeing weapons, Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, is also set to be charged with involuntary manslaughter over the shooting death. Meanwhile, the production assistant director, David Halls, has agreed to plead guilty to a misdemeanor charge of negligent use of a deadly weapon and to spend 6 months serving probation. Taylor Swift's Anti-Hero becomes her longest leading #1 on the Billboard Hot 100. According to Billboard News, Swift's Anti-Hero holds #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 Songs chart, logging an 8th week on the top. With its latest frame at #1, Swift rewrites her longest Hot 100 reign, surpassing the 7 weeks at the summit for Blank Space in 2014-15. The Hot 100 blends all genres, US streaming, official audio and official video, radio airplay, and sales data. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.